No matter how hard you work, you cannot become wealthy by exchanging your time for money. Unfortunately, you won't be paid for the time you spend sleeping, resting, and engaging in other activities because there are only so many hours in a day. What if there was a simpler way to achieve wealth? What if your money could work for you? What if your money could be the ideal employer, working tirelessly to increase your wealth all year long without taking breaks or receiving a salary? Fortunately, there are numerous methods to use your money to generate income as you put in your 40 hours of weekly work. Your relentless dollars keep at it non-stop. So, let's get started. 1. High-yield savings account. Before directing your money army into riskier but more lucrative endeavors, a high-return savings account can act as a secure base. FDIC-insured high-yield savings accounts often pay 20 to 25 times higher than conventional savings accounts. If you have $10,000 extra and are unsure of the best way to invest it, keeping it in a high-yield savings account with a 2% annual percentage interest will earn you $200 over the course of a year. This isn't much, but it is better than nothing. It's preferable to leaving it in a standard checking or savings account with an interest rate of only approximately 0.1%. Every financial advisor will tell you that it's a good idea to have at least 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up in easily accessible cash as emergency funds before using the extra money to earn more money for you. The best place for your emergency funds is in a high-yield savings account that is simple to access. Wherever you already bank, it is simple to start a high-yield savings account. However, internet banks often give the highest rate since they may pass on their cost-effectiveness to their consumers by reducing the number of physical facilities they have. 2. Stock market. If you want your money to generate income for you, you should think about investing in the stock market. To profit from favorable market changes, do not, however, time the market or engage in day trading of stocks. A long-term investing approach, commonly referred to as a purchase and hold plan, is better for you. This is a cautious approach to investing where you purchase a security and hold on to it for a long time, like a stock, mutual fund, bond, or exchange-traded fund, ETF. In this manner, the investment is shielded against transient market changes. A long-term investor will keep their assets in the hopes that the industry they invested in will have increased significantly in the future. In the expectation that your investment must have generated a respectable return within the next 10 years or more, you ride out any new developments that occur during this time. The fluctuation ought to level off over time, resulting in a gain overall. If you don't have the time or the expertise to manage your portfolio yourself, you can hire a portfolio manager to assist you with your investment. Your goals, risk tolerance, and other choices will be used by the portfolio manager to design the portfolio. To reduce your risks, they'll provide you with a diversified portfolio made up of several funds. Index funds, individual stocks, target date funds, and real estate investment funds are other options to invest in the stock market and have it make more money for you. 3. Business. Despite the risks, starting your own business is a great way to make a lot of money. Investing in a business might yield impressive returns. If you can't handle the pressure of starting a business, you can be a silent partner by investing money in someone else's endeavor. Although you won't be able to influence how the firm is operated on a day-to-day basis, if everything goes according to plan, you will be given a comfortable part of the earnings. 4. Real estate. One of our fundamental requirements is housing, and there is always a demand for it. So, investing in real estate is a terrific way to make your money work harder for you. Either residential or commercial real estate is an option for investment. You can profit from real estate investing in 2 ways, appreciation and rental income. The value of a property rises with time, and you profit when you sell it. Keep in mind that location affects how quickly property appreciates when making real estate investments. The most important determining factor for residential property appreciation is the location of upgrades and development. When amenities like commercial centers, schools, and recreation centers appear all around a community, its value increases significantly. The second way to profit from real estate is through rental revenue. Both renters of residential and commercial buildings are required to pay a set sum each month known as rent. Let's look at some of the ways you can start earning from real estate. Flipping. Flipping is the process of purchasing a property, making improvements to it quickly, and then selling it for a profit. When flipping homes, you need to have an eye for good deals. You should be able to quickly estimate the costs necessary to improve a home to the level you want and its prospective value. You should be able to either do the repairs yourself or engage a remodeling company. Buy and hold. Purchase a residential or commercial property in this case, then rent it out. You have the choice of managing the property yourself or hiring a management company to relieve you of the stress associated with being a landlord. Vacation rentals. You can make some money by briefly renting out a home or a single room. By catering to travelers, businesses like Airbnb have made it simple for homeowners and real estate investors to profit from this. If your property is situated in a well-known tourist area, this is very advantageous. There is a considerable demand for these arrangements because many tourists prefer them to hotel accommodations. Real estate crowdfunding. This strategy of investing in real estate is particularly suitable for people with limited access to funds. Traditionally, real estate investing calls for a large financial investment. Due to this, real estate sales through crowdfunding were once the exclusive domain of the wealthy and those with access to financing, but they have recently gained popularity. It entails the process of combining resources to make real estate investments. The best part is that you may start with as little as $100. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you may purchase a high-value piece of property on one of the several real estate crowdfunding platforms. 5. Self-improvement. Increasing your value is another way that money can benefit you. Your marketable abilities can be improved with time and money, and you will soon begin to see financial benefits. Look for professional certifications and degrees that can increase your income and make you highly sought after in your field. These don't have to be expensive or need you to spend 4 years at an Ivy League university. Numerous online courses give you the chance to advance your education for a fair price and earn certification in your desired fields. Thus, if you know how to manage your money, it can work to your advantage. The suggestions above can all be classified as passive income sources, which are ways to earn money without putting much effort in. The best part about passive income is that, once you set it up, you can keep earning even while you sleep. Despite sounding simple, they all require a sizable initial time and financial investment. There are many other passive income sources available, and the list is not all-inclusive. However, the most crucial thing is that you now understand how to make money. Choose one and pursue it. Thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe for more amazing videos like this.